Hey, what's up YouTube? I'm back with another video, and in today's video we're gonna be unboxing a Panasonic Lumix G100V. Now this is an older camera. I got it used off eBay. The reason why I got it is because it seemed like it's a great camera for basically everything I wanted to do. Now you can buy these on Best Buy between $600 to $800. I got this camera for $430, including the little tripod on eBay. They regularly go for that much, so this might potentially be the best budget camera at that price. So I ain't gonna hold y'all. I'm finna go ahead and open this up. I've been waiting on this for so long. I hope it should improve the videos quite a bit. So let's go. I'm just excited, man. This reminds me of my Mac when I first got my MacBook Air. It was a very exciting time. I love getting stuff for the channel. But anyway, here's the instructions. We're gonna look at that later. I just want to look at the camera. See how to open this up. Okay. So here's a little tripod. It also includes the little tripod, which is really cool, especially for how much I paid for it. It got the record button and the shutter. This is shutter and this is record, sleep, and this is just to lock it when you want to move it. You can use that to lock it. That plugs into the camera, which is really nice. And you can also use it to stand the camera up. So here's the camera right here. Let's put that to the side first. Let's see what's in this little compartment. We have a strap. Man, I don't even like this was even open. Lumix G. We have a USB cable. And we have the little charger right here. Now the guy did say that the camera looked like it was barely used, so that should be a good thing. Here's a strap, right? Another strap. This, I believe this goes around your neck, and this is just like a wrist strap. Then we have the battery right here. It was like a used camera strap on eBay, so it seemed like it was taken very good care of. So I believe that's everything in a box. Yeah, that's everything. Let's get that out the way. Here go the camera right here. Woo! Man. There it is. This is literally the best camera I've ever owned in my life. It's so small. It's way smaller and lighter than I thought it was going to be. This thing is beautiful. It looks good. I see no visible damage. No nothing. Here's the screen. Even the screen is really clean. They cleaned it up really good. I mean, I gotta say they really went crazy. So I'm going to go ahead and pop the battery in. We're going to turn it on and check it out. Okay, so I put the battery in. I'm going to also leave a link to this, the Best Buy link in the description. That way y'all can learn a little bit more about the camera. I'm not going to sit here and explain it all. Man, this is so nice. So it say, please select the language. English, clock. It is, let me set this up real quick and I'll be back. Okay, so I got it set up. And it was actually asking for an SD card. I got an SD card right here. I'm gonna actually put this on the charger too for a little bit because the battery is low as hell. I have an SD card right here. This SanDisk Extreme 256 gig. Should be good for 4K. I'm pretty sure the highest to shoot is 4K at 30 frames. This car can handle it, and I have enough space plus some room to take stills too. So I'm gonna let this sit on the camera. I'm not gonna play with it. I'm gonna play with it on camera, and I'm gonna just let it charge up a bit, and I'll be back again. Okay, so I let the camera charge up. I was reading the instructions, and I also put the little shoulder strap on. There's a lot of buttons on here, so I had to read the instructions to figure out how to work this thing. The main reason why I wanted this camera in particular is, for starters, number one, it has a mic input right here, which is really good if you want to shoot with a shotgun mic or wireless mic, stuff like that. This camera seemed like it's more focused on film instead of photography, just from the features that it has. It's also mirrorless, so you can swap lenses out like that. Here's a little release right there. It comes with a 12 to 32 millimeter lens, just a stock lens. It has like a little flash up here if you want to use the flash for your photography. Here's your controls at the top. This button switches between the viewfinder and the screen. This is so you can connect it to your phone to export photos, and the different programs you can set. On switch, exposure adjustment, the shutter button, this little wheel right here. I'm not 100% sure what that's for yet. This is for recording video. Here's also a directional pad right here with another spin wheel, playback button, delete, and display button, and all your little controls right here. I mean, it's a lot of stuff on here, and I've never had a camera like this, so I'm still learning as we go. But turn it on, it's gonna ask you to extend the lens. You extend the lens by just spinning it like that, and I still got the lens cap on. So here's the camera. I mean, So far, I haven't done much with it. Like I say, it was just charging. I want to go out and I want to shoot with it, and I want to show you guys footage from the camera and also maybe some stills. Let's go ahead and go out and let's go ahead and shoot with this camera and see what it looks like. I'm also shooting at 4K 30 frames per second, the highest frame rate resolution that this camera shoots. So let's go shoot it. All right, so that's all the shots I got for today. I just did some local shots around my area. Sometime soon, I'm gonna be going to the city and I'm gonna be getting some better shots and put together a little bit better of a cinematic video for you guys to see what this camera really can do and really stretch its leg. Another thing I really need to do is get more lenses. This one is cool, but I need another one that has a lower aperture so I can get a little bit better depth of field. This is a good test for the audio too. I have it in surround mode, so y'all let me know how I sound. Everything in the video has been color corrected, white balance corrected, and the audio has been corrected. So this is about as best as it can get with the camera, other than adding additional lenses and using external microphones and stuff like that. From using it so far, it seems like it's really good, especially for, like I said, the price that I paid for it. It might honestly be the best budget camera you can get right now. If you look on eBay right now, you could probably find one for under $500 with the lens and the tripod. I feel like that's a really good deal, especially if you get into YouTube or if you already got a YouTube channel and you're just trying to make your quality a little bit better. But I'm gonna go in and head out, go back home, relax a little bit. I'm gonna look at the clips, see how they came out, and I'll catch y'all in the next one. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace out.